Hey guys, this is how to create account in Roblox. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up a web browser into your PC, and after that just simply go to roblox.com, and now from here it will redirect you to the sign up page right away, and just simply provide your birth date over here. And after that just simply go ahead and provide your username down below, and after that just simply provide your password down below as well. And just simply provide a gender and click on sign up. And after that, you should be able to create an account. And from here, if you want to add an email, you can just simply click on add email over here on the left side and just simply provide your email over here. And now just simply click on continue. And after that, an email confirmation will be sent to you. So just simply go check your mail. The email will look something like this, and just simply click on verify email. And from there, you should be able to add your email, and you can use your email to sign in, or you can choose your username that you provided to sign in into your account. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.